Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Spotify error something went wrong, have another go. So if you're getting this error something went wrong, have another go with try again button, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, let me tell you that Spotify was having downtime on February 14th 2026, and in the forum one of the user have mentioned that they are seeing the reports from premium users on Android that they are getting the error message something went wrong when they try to access playlist. So users are getting this error when they trying to access the playlist. So here how to fix this problem. What you have to do, you have to leave the beta version of Spotify app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Spotify and tap on it. Scroll down and here we'll see you are a beta tester, and then there is a leave button. So you have to just basically click on leave button. Now here please take a note, if you decide to leave you may need to uninstall the beta app and reinstall the public version. Your app data may be lost. So if you agree, only then click on leave button. Now you have to just wait for a few minutes. So it is written over here, it can take a few minutes to remove you from the beta program. So just wait for a few minutes and then click on uninstall and again click on uninstall. Now here it is mentioned removing your account from the beta test program. You may want to uninstall the beta test version and install the public version. So again tap on search for Spotify and tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall the Spotify public versions. And after the Spotify app get installed, then you can launch it and then you can check if your error is fixed or not. So simply tap on open and then you can log into your Spotify account and then check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these steps you can easily solve something went wrong, have another go error in Spotify. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.